Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to lock apps on iPhone. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, look for the shortcut app on your iPhone and simply tap on it. Open the Shortcuts app on iPhone and make sure the latest iOS updates has been installed. Now simply click on the automation button on the bottom panel. Once you click on the automation button, then you'll be navigated to create or new automation option. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on app or simply search for the app option and again tap on it. Then tap on the choose option available right next to the apps. Now all you have to do is choose the app you want to lock. Once you've done it, I have chose the two apps here. So once you have done it, simply tap on the done and tap on the run immediately option available there. Then tap on the next option available. Now tap on the shortcuts option available there, my shortcuts. Once you're inside the my shortcuts, you will get to see the lock screen option available there. Look for the lock screen and tap on it and it will be done. Now anytime you will open the mail or Instagram, your iPhone will lock automatically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.